Vivian McKender, oh my gosh, she is my hero, my mentor, my queen. She is amazing because she's very sweet and gentle. She takes you under her wing and thrives to show you the best that she can show you, and she doesn't hold anything back. She's awesome, she's amazing.
Vivian and Joseph, they are wonderful. They give us a very good, comfortable environment, and they're here to help us every single step. And I highly recommend it to anyone who have experience or doesn't have any experience, because it just take you through to the next level of your hairdressing, and they really make you feel comfortable along the way. So I love this class very much. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Vivian.
I came to New York in search of something new in the industry that I haven't ever experienced. Joseph is a great photographer. It showed us lots of new things to do with our phones, some lighting, very interesting. Vivian is iconic to me, so I've seen her throughout my career of 28 years, and I think she is one that should learn from, because she has been in the business for a longer time than some of these influencers, and I love to see her take on more of the editorial work. I love it. I think it was great. I would definitely recommend it to anybody.
The experience of self-growth and knowledge that I had picked up with the photographer Joseph and the hair design with Vivian, and I've enjoyed this. Anybody that wants self-growth and to learn photography, if this is the class for you, and the photo shoot is phenomenal.
You learn so much. You learn about your camera, lighting, how to work with the models. It's just fabulous. The whole journey has been great.
Came here to do the Photoshop workshop with Joseph and Vivian, and it's been amazing. It's been such an amazing experience. Everything has just been so inspirational. They both have been such great mentors and so helpful with learning the aspects of how to do a photo shoot. So I would highly recommend, if you ever get the chance to work with either one of them, definitely do it.
This is, I feel like, going to take me to the next level in my career. So I'm super grateful for this opportunity to work at such a high level and learn from people who have done it and done it well before me. And yeah, I definitely feel like I want to dive more into the world of editorial. So I would recommend it to anybody who wants to level up in their career.
Ha ha ha!